I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the Autoplay feature in Google Slides. Are you looking to make your Google Slides presentations more dynamic and engaging without manually clicking through each slide? Whether it's for a professional showcase, an educational lesson, or a digital display, setting your Google Slides to Autoplay can transform your presentation into a seamless, self-running masterpiece. Now let's walk through the steps to enable Autoplay on Google Slides, a feature that allows your slides to advance automatically, perfect for hands-free presenting. Step 1. Open the Google Slides presentation where you want to autoplay your slides. Step 2. Navigate to the top of this screen and then click Slideshow to launch your presentation into a slideshow. Step 3. Move your cursor down to the lower part of the slideshow to display the navigator that lets you switch between slides. Click the vertical ellipses on that navigator. A menu opens. Step 4. Click to expand Autoplay into a submenu. You'll see options for how many seconds you want to wait between slides while Autoplay is running. Click to place a check mark next to how many seconds you want to wait between slides, and then click Play at the top of this menu when done. The slides in your Google Slides presentation will automatically advance after your specified period of time. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.